I sell sausage all over the country. In New York, they like their sausage spicy. In Chicago, it's all about the Italian sausage.
My grandfather learned to make sausage in Lucca, Italy out of necessity, and he brought that tradition here. Randolph was established on Randolph and Sangamon Street downtown in 1928. We use old world recipes that have been passed down from generation to generation. Our Italian sausage is made with fresh pork, natural casing, and fresh spices. The key ingredient is the fennel.
We've been making Jewel's Italian sausage for over 40 years. Beach Store is unique. It represents the community that it's based in, and we're just really proud to be a part of that.
We have many personal relationships with the butchers at Jewel. They give us feedback, we give them feedback, and we really appreciate them. We're a hardworking team with a lot of pride. We have people at Randolph that have worked here for close to 50 years. You just get a good feeling when you're with a group of people from the Midwest.
I'm proud to be a part of this team. We've been making sausage here since 1928, and I think you can taste the tradition in every bite.
Whether you're in your backyard or by the lake, Chicagoans love to grill, and our sausage is great for that. It makes me happy to know that our sausage is making other people happy.